A hearty welcome to this episode of the World of English Lovers. This is Divya Pandian, one of your English educators, feeling very happy to teach you some new words and their meanings. Nature is our mother. It is a Latin proverb. அதாவது இயற்கை நாம் அனைவருக்கும் ஒரு தாய். Nature has given many gifts to us, many gifts to us. Leaves and flowers, fruits and nuts, lakes and ponds, waterfalls and seas. Rivers and oceans, mountains and rocks. Nature has given many gifts to us, its own sons and daughters, to us, its own sons and daughters. பல்வேறு வளங்களை தந்த இயற்கையை காணும்போது நம் மனம் அளவற்ற மகிழ்ச்சியில் மூழ்கிறது. நமக்குள் இருக்கும் மனப்பதற்றங்கள் மற்றும் பிரச்சனைகள் ஆகியவற்றை சிறிது நேரம் மறந்து இயற்கையின் அழகை ரசிப்பதற்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்பு அமைகிறது. If we take care of nature, it will nurture. But if we disturb it, it will torture. Thus, we will witness natural disasters, that is, bad, extreme and sudden events caused by environmental factors that injure people and damage property. For example, earthquake, volcanic eruption, tsunami, etc. Natural disasters, அதாவது இயற்கை சீற்றங்கள் அல்லது இயற்கை பேரழிவுகள். Let us learn the words related to natural disasters in this session. Avalanche, a large amount of snow and ice that suddenly falls down. பனிச்சரிவு. Blizzard, a storm with a lot of snow and strong winds. பனிப்புயல். Cyclone, a severe storm in which the wind spins in a circle. சூறாவளி. Drought, a long period of time when there is little or no rain and crops die. வறட்சி. Earthquake, a sudden shaking movement of the earth or ground. நிலநடுக்கம். Extreme heat, heat realized in a greater degree. தீவிரமான வெயில். Famine, a serious lack of food that continues for a long time and causes many people to become ill or to die. பஞ்சம். Flood, a large amount of water that covers an area that was dry before. வெள்ளம். Fog, a thick cloud that forms close to the ground and is difficult for us to see through. மூடுபனி. Hailstorm, a storm in which a lot of small balls of ice fall like rain. ஆலங்கட்டி மழை. Hurricane, a violent storm with extremely strong winds and heavy rain. பெரும்புயல் சூறாவளி. Landslide, a heavy fall of earth and rocks. நிலச்சரிவு. Lightning, the bright flashes of light that you see in the sky during a storm or rainy season. மின்னல். Sandstorm. A strong wind in the desert that blows clouds of sand in the air. Manal puyal. Snowstorm. A storm with a lot of snow and strong winds. Pani puyal. Thunderstorm. A heavy storm with thunder. இடியுடன் கூடிய புயல். Tornado. A very strong wind that goes quickly round in a circle. பலத்த சூறாவளி. Tsunami. A tidal wave or a violent change in the earth's surface caused by destructive waves. Tsunami பேரலை. Typhoon. A tropical cyclone. கடும் புயல். Volcano. A mountain that forces hot gas, rocks and ashes into the air through a hole at the top. எரிமலை. Wildfire. A fire that starts in an area of countryside and spreads very quickly. காட்டுத்தீ. Children, hope you have learned some new words related to natural disasters. இயற்கை சீற்றங்கள் சார்ந்த சில வார்த்தைகளையும் அவற்றின் அர்த்தங்களையும் கற்றுக்கொண்டீர்கள் என நான் நம்புகிறேன். But remember, children, it is our duty to save and protect nature so that we can escape from natural disasters. So, stay protected and stay blessed. Thank you.